Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we continue checking out why Windows 10 might be for you the perfect operating system and moving to Windows 11 could wait, well, the Start menu. The Windows 11 Start menu, of course, by default is centered. You can, of course, put it on the left side, but it misses on a lot of things. On Windows 10, it is totally customizable. You can add, remove what you want. You can add more folders, more icons. You can actually resize it the way you want. This is definitely way more customizable, way more interesting than Windows 11 from the start. Some of you, depends who you are, some of you like the live tiles. I know that some people moving to Windows 11 said that they are missing live tiles. I personally liked them at the beginning, but as time went by, it was more like I didn't really take care of watching anything on the live tiles, so I don't really miss them. But the fact that you can customize way more the Start menu in Windows 11, the fact that also the defaults stay default. One of the biggest problems in Windows 11 also is that even if you ask for a app list, rather than having them as apps, icons, it defaults back to icons. You don't have a choice of whatever view you want to have. Even if you bring the Start menu back to the left, having a list of apps like this is still not something that's automatic. So there are some reasons why the Start menu might not please everybody. There's a lot of wasted space in Windows 11, meaning that if you remove some of the apps or some of the recommendations, you can't resize, you can't change anything. You just got some empty space. The default size stays the same. Here in Windows 10, if you have no tiles, nothing, you can actually collapse this to be just an app list, and that's it. All you have to do is remove what's in here and just resize it for just an app list if you don't want to have the different icons and the different Start menu tiles. Windows 10 is definitely a winner here in the Start menu, and even though I do like the Start menu in Windows 11, I wish that eventually the customization will be there, resized. You can have an app list if you prefer the list and having app icons on the favorite icons of what you use the most or what you pinned. Definitely there is much room for improvement in Windows 11. It's almost as if they just started from scratch and didn't really know how to do anything. It's crazy how the Start menu in Windows 11 is probably, and I'll probably give it the biggest mistake of Windows 11, the Start menu, the way that it's designed. Not the fact that it's in the middle. It's logic that it's in the middle because it takes less time from anywhere on the screen to get to the Start menu from a middle point than from the total left side. And even if you don't like that, you can still push it on the left side so that it looks more like Windows 10, but it's dreadfully missing customization options, and that could be another reason why Windows 10 is your favorite operating system rather than Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.